ओम साई नमः, ओम साई नमः, हर हर बोले साई नमः।
ओम साई नमः, ओम साई नमः, हर हर बोले साई नमः।
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः, गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। From yesterday onwards, we are celebrating the temple 5th anniversary, Shirdi Sai Baba Temple of San Antonio. We kept here 108 kalashas. We are going to do the Abhishekam tomorrow with all the devotees, all the sponsors. And today we have Sai Mela and blood donation here. Every year we are doing the blood donation as well as the Sai Mela. In the Sai Mela there are so many cultural events and food items, and also here is we did the Ganesha Abhishekam yesterday and Ganapati Homam, and today Dattatreya Abhishekam and Archana and Mahapariva Puja, and tomorrow we have Sadguru Sai Moola Mantra Homam and Mahapurnahuti, and after Abhishek Kalasha Abhishekam 108 Kalasha Abhishekam, and then Vishesha Pushparchana. This is the temple 5th anniversary. Thank you everyone for supporting the temple and the event. Thank you.
ओम साई नमः, ओम साई नमः, हर हर बोले साई नमः।
अनंत कोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक राजाधिराज योगी राज।
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 पर ब्रह्म श्री सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु साई नाथा नमाय।
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 गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा।
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा।
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा।
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा।
गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमाय।
गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमाय।
गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
श्रीमत् परब्रह्म गुरु स्मरामि, श्रीमत् परब्रह्म गुरु नमामि।
श्रीमत् परब्रह्म गुरु स्मरामि, श्रीमत् परब्रह्म गुरु नमामि।
श्रीमत् परब्रह्म गुरु स्मरामि, श्रीमत् परब्रह्म गुरु नमामि।
श्रीमत् परब्रह्म गुरु स्मरामि,
परब्रह्म गुरु यजामि हर हर बोले साई नमाय
साई नमाय ओम साई नमाय हर हर बोले साई नमाय
अनंत कोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक राजाधिराज योगी राज
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 परब्रह्म श्री सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु साई नाथा नमाय
परब्रह्म श्री सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु
I hope you're having a good time. Our next performance is a dance performance. They're ready. The song they will be dancing to praises Lord Vishnu and depicts three avatars, Rama, Narasimha and Krishna. It is taken from Bhajana Sampradayam. This is presented by the Arati School of Indian Dance, which was established in 1982 in San Antonio. Our performers are Harshita, Akshaya, Kavya and Vendala. Please give them a round of applause.
जठाधर अंगजारे सारंग शशिधरा मंगलांग मुरलीरव मोदना मंगलांग
भोले की मस्ती में नाचेंगे सारे भोले हरेंगे जो कष्ट तुम्हारे भोले के नाम पे चलती है दुनिया पार लगेगा भोले के सहारे भोले के नाम के दीवाने हुए हम फिर भूल गए हम तो सारे जिंदगी के गम तुझे देंगे भोले दर्शन साक्षात सामने जैसे हनुमान जी को दिए श्री राम ने भोले की भक्ति में मिल के सारे आज भोले हर हर महादेव महाकाल बम बोले बम बोले बम बोले बम बोले बम बम बोले बम बम बोले बम 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 बोले
शिरोविलिवासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेर्षितिकण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते गिरधरदीना दीनकृति वैतार मन्नोडु गिरगिरगाना गिरगंगल கூடுது மாறுது சேருதானா தூர தூர வரும் சூர சூர முகம் பஞ்சம் கண்ணில் தஞ்சம் கொள்ளும் வீர வீர கிளி கோர கோரமென மாறும் மாறும் கணமே ஜால ஜால தவ கோல கோல முகம் நீரை கண்டு கோபம் கொண்டு ஆல கால அலையாட ஆட சிலையாட வார நிலையே யார் செய்த தப்புக்கும் தீர்ப்பொன்று இல்லாமல் போகாது
Wow, thank you guys. That was a great performance. Give them one more round of applause.
In any way that you can do, anybody would like to just contribute towards the parking expansion project, please do see the front desk there. They will provide you the further details. Not only the parking expansion, there are various other programs that you can support the temples. You can just see the front desk. They will provide you the complete details of the programs that you can support. Not only just the monetary support, anybody want to do the service for the temple, voluntary service for the temple, you are welcome to do it. This is your temple. You are welcome to come and then join us in doing the service as well. It is not possible with a group of people. It is possible. If you see any orange shirt there, the orange or pink color shirt,
Let's give them another round of applause, everybody. A big, big round of applause. Let's get some energy from them. Let's go.
ಗಣಪತಿ ಗಜಮುಖ ಗಣಪತಿ ಗಿಡ 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 ಗಿಡುವೆನ ಬಂದ சித்தத்தில் நீயே நின்றாய் வேட்டையாடு தீமை யாவும் அசுரழிய சுப தருணம் இறங்கி வா அசுரழிய சுப தருணம் இறங்கி வா அசுரழிய சுப தருணம் இறங்கி வா ஜுமுகிட்ட ஜுமுகிட்ட தளோங்க தளோங்க தளகிரிதா தளோங்க தளோங்க தளகிரிதா தளோங்க தளோங்க தளகிரிதா
Okay, and now for our very final performance, we have Group Rhythm by Richa Jr., and they're going to present a story of Ramayana as Ram Leela. Ram Leela festivities were declared by UNESCO as one of the intangible cultural heritage of humanity in 2008. Ram Leela is particularly notable in Uttar Pradesh and other northern states of India.
ये कथा है रामायण की, जहाँ श्री राम वनवास से अयोध्या पधारे। चारों ओर फैला था आनंद, चराचर था खिला खिला। स्वागत की तैयारी में व्यस्त थी अयोध्या की 3 बहुएं, श्रुतकीर्ति, मंडवी और उर्मिला। उन दोनों की परछाई बनने की लक्ष्मण ने शपथ थी खाई। राम का राज तिलक कैकई को तनिक न भाया, सिया राम लखन को 14 वर्षों का वनवास दिलाया। सीता को देख शूर्पणखा अपने असुर रूप में आई। बहन दशानन रावण की है वो, उसने चित्कार लगाई। फिर सीता को हानि पहुंचाने उसने कदम बढ़ाया। तभी अनुज लक्ष्मण ने उसकी नाक को काट गिराया। ऐसा घोर अपमान दशानन रावण कर न सका सहन। साधु वेश में छल से किया उसने सीता माता का हरण। लंकापति रावण से हुआ भीषण संग्राम। गिरा दशानन भूमि पे और मुख से निकला जय श्री राम।
Sairam, I want to recognize one for this event to be done so successfully. So we are not done at this point, but I want to make sure all the hard efforts, whatever we are doing for this Sai Mela, need to be recognized. I want to see every volunteer on the booth, at the booth and everywhere. Please come over here. Please, everybody gather near the stage. I want to see that every volunteer come over here. I know that means how much effort it's going to be put together, whatever that 4 hours of the program today, what we have today. Prabhu, I want everybody, at least when you see these people with the t-shirts and stop by and tell them saying that thank you and you guys did an awesome job. Without them, we can't run this program. At least give them a round of applause if you all like it. Thank you. And thank you every volunteer here. And then we know your efforts are recognized. Without your, selfless, work here means it's a time. and how many hours you put together to make this happen. Means it's these 4 hours went so smooth, and we have a couple more programs to go, but I want to make sure everybody is recognized, and thank you each and every volunteer here. Thank you so much. And then it's impossible, it's volunteer, and this year we have a really Boy Scout and Cub Scout and everybody. Without you, means I saw that the kids are awesome, means they're picking the trash and everything. Man, means that is going to be we are really like our next generation, what they are doing to the community. Thank you, all the kids, whoever is participated and volunteering the temple. And then this is going to be a thank you.
Maybe I don't know the number. It's more than 100 or maybe more than a couple of hundreds. There are some people, they are not here today, but the credit goes to them also. So we have about 10 or 11 food booths. So delicious food that you had it today is prepared and supported by all these volunteers, all these Sai Sevaks. Let's call them as Sai Sevaks. They are the one basically did it. So may Lord Sai just basically bless all these Sai Sevak families. Without them, you would not be having that kind of delicious food. And the cultural programs also, they did a meticulous job in organizing this one. We just request you all, yes, they deserve a big round of applause, please. Thank you, everybody.
Oh